Hi, I'm Dr. Nikita Dhivar and I had joined the Advanced Master Course at the Other Song Academy in July 2025, and I'm here to share my experience of this 6 months journey. As we all know, homeopathy is fundamentally a science of individualization and holism. Learning and gaining insights into sensation method taught by Dr. Rajan Shankaran and his team has really helped me comprehend homeopathy in a very meaningful and deeper way. After starting my practice around a year back and seeing patients individually in the clinic, I really realized the importance of a thorough and effective case taking, because that was an area in which I was facing difficulty in, and I really felt a need for a structured guidance, which eventually led me to join this course. And I think it was one of the best decisions, because throughout the course we were taught in a very detailed manner how to take the case, uh, the level of experiences, everything was taught in detail, how to reach to a sensation level, how to reach to the right remedy through sensation method. And the best part of the course was the faculty. We have one of the finest educators in this field, the eminent teachers which were there, and the cases which were shared during the lectures uh, was such an enriching experience for me. And we also had these clinical sessions once in a week, where we would get the opportunity to sit with these teachers, experienced teachers, and see them taking life case, with the patient. And one of the best moments for me, best part of this course, was to see Dr. Shekhar Algungi not only reach the sensation level but the source level, where the patient would actually behave like their source energy. That was something which had a very big impact on me. And overall, if I have to say, and about the other song, it's a very well structured and well managed course, which and also have one of the best faculties available here. And it has really helped me build confidence in my personal practice, and I've gradually seen improvement in my clinical prescriptions, which have led a great outcome with my patients in my patients' health as well. And other song is like a guide, is like a guiding platform, to the practitioners of the homeopathy, which takes them to the right path in the homeopathic practice. So I would really, really highly recommend everybody to join this course. Thank you so much.